Yes,
Hello,
sir.
everyone. This is Olasheni. Fadikwe, and I'm here to make a short presentation on the use of hard language. And I'm going to break this presentation into five videos, 5 series of videos. In the first video, I'm going to talk about the introduction and installation of hard language. In the second video, we're going to talk about using R as a calculator. In the third video, we're going to learn how to manipulating vectors and matrices in R. And in the fourth video, we're going to talk about descriptive statistics. In R. And in the last video, I'm going to talk about the RStudio. So now let's talk about the R language. How did it start? Who are the first people to develop the R language? So the R language is an offshoot of the S language. R is an offshoot of S language. And the S language was developed by John Chambers at Bell Laboratories. In 1976. Yeah, 2 mathematicians at the University of Auckland, New Zealand, picked the S language and developed their own version of the S language and call it R. Language. So the R language was developed by Ross Iaka and Robert Gentleman at the University of Auckland, New Zealand. And R language was used because both of their names, their first names start with R. So they call their own version of the S language, the R language. And this R language has been growing in popularity. It's now being used in a variety of fields. So, and the R language is free. So the R language is free. The R language is free. And it's very easy to download. So if you want to download the R language, visit www.rproject.org and follow the instructions. Follow the instructions. So the R language runs on Mac, OS, runs on Windows, and runs on other platforms. So R runs. So the R language runs on the MAS operating system. It also runs on Windows and also runs on other platforms. And one last thing in this video is that we have language. So one last thing in this video is that the language is case sensitive. So this will be the end of our first video. So in the next video, I'm going to talk about, we'll talk about using her as a calculator. So thank you. See you then.